Shut up, Richie.
We are the Gaming Analysts,
a channel inspired by the many great thinkers and philosophers out there.
On here, we're not only going to talk about, well, the weird side of our imagination.
And whether or not Piplup decided to dress up in a robe and tights one Halloween.
Wait, hold on, what?
But also, we're here to talk about the unraveled mysteries that may have crossed your mind and probably have never had a chance to figure out yet.
Have you ever played a game where you would normally play really terrible in, die and then respawn again?
To be honest, no.
Oh. No? I must be really bad at Call of Duty then.
Seriously, have you ever wondered that if you were actually to take a shot from the Bane in Borderlands 2 to getting blown up by a C4 in the middle of a high score streak, could it actually be possible? Even though it may sound ridiculous, there are certain aspects of that idea that can be possible. But aside from the point though, that Bane rifle seriously was one of the most annoying things next to the struggle of having to battle everyone you see in any Pokemon game. Really guys, it's crazy.
But back on track, respawning in real life can be a possibility to some extent, because if you think about it, cloning of plants, such as growing a plant from cutting, has been a common practice in mankind for hundreds and maybe even perhaps thousands of years. You better pull up your socks and glasses because this is going to get a little bit crazy up in here.
In the 1960s, even the cloning of small animals had a long history, from birds to pigs and even the little goat Dolly.
Reigns, that is a sheep, but continue.
But however, human cloning has not been thought possible until it was later introduced in 1998 in advanced cell technology, due to the successful confirmation of the Dolly clone back in 1997.
So, what does this have to do with someone getting shot by the Bane and getting blown up by a random C4 in the middle of a score streak, then respawning in real life, have to deal with anything?
Well, simply because if you were to actually die but be able to have a clone of yourself, it may actually be possible. Think about it. I mean, the facts are pretty straightforward from here. If you were to save a file onto your computer and then save another file but of the same original file, they would both be the same. The only difference is that one is a copy of the other, making them clones of each other. But if you were to do that to a human, for example, let's use that guy you keep dying with in Team Fortress, and make a clone out of him. Although his phenotype, which means physical features, are the same, that doesn't mean that his conscious is remained in the clone. Or is it?
But now if we put that into a real life perspective, how can it be possible to actually respawn while still being able to remain with your conscious mind? Well, if you were to make a clone but were to extract the knowledge, well, in other words, the brain from the original victim into the clone, then would it work? There was even a project by the name of Avatar who was trying out that concept of transferring the conscious mind within people. Yeah, pretty insane! Oh my goodness. But no, to be honest, you cannot respawn in real life because of that reason.
I think we can agree on the fact that this one is
busted.
But anyways, once again, this was the Gaming Analyst. Hope you enjoyed, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and possibly leave a thumbs up on this video. Anyways, thanks for watching.